So we're going to show you how to access PowerPoint and some of the cool features you can do in elevating your presentation when driving a PowerPoint through the IQ touchscreen. Let's get amongst it. If we access a PowerPoint session here and we go into slideshow mode, now you're not bound by a clicker or your keyboard or anything. You can work off gestures and touch. So we're just going to get our finger and swipe left on the screen to work through the slide deck and swipe right to go back. So it's that simple. Where we can elevate how we're presenting to the audience in the room is if we touch the screen once, you'll notice we now get a bank of tools on the left-hand side. One of them is a pen icon where we can now access a laser pointer, a pen, and a highlighter. So the beauty about these features is it's actually embedding that ink into the slide itself. It's not an overlay, so if you were to work back through the slides, it's not just going to keep that ink on every slide. So I'll show you. If we just put some ink on here and we access the highlighter, maybe we wanted to highlight some information. Again, just being able to hone in on information that's important to the audience you're presenting to. Do remember, if you're wanting to work through the slides, just if that's selected, we're going to press it again and unselect what we've got selected. So then with our touch swipe, we can just swipe through the slides. And as you can see, it's not an overlay, it's embedded into that particular slide. When we want to X out of this presentation, we're going to touch the screen again to access these tools. And you'll notice at the bottom, we've got a little X. So if we press that, it's going to ask you if you want to keep or discard that ink that you've dropped onto the slide. Now you don't have to keep a master file. If you were to accidentally hit keep, but you wanted to get rid of that annotation or the digital ink you've put on, with the Windows side of the IQ touchscreen, to do a right mouse click, all we're going to do is press and hold, so it turns a square, let go, and you'll notice the ink has been saved as an image. So from there, we can just simply delete that out. Same deal with the highlighter, press, hold, let go, and we can delete that out, not needing to keep a master file. That's how we're going to operate PowerPoint through the Windows 11 Pro OPS module.